All right, so let's take a second and kind of get into what a feature really is. Now, on the front end of it, you can basically think of a feature as influencer marketing. Now, if you know anything about marketing, you know that influencer marketing is one of the best ways to kind of get your name out and spread your name about your brand or your business or your service or your product, whatever it is that you have to offer. So basically, influencer marketing is basically just word of mouth. And what that means is you basically getting somebody else who has a brand, who has a following, who has social credibility, and you're getting them to put their name, attach their brand or their name to you or to your service, or basically recommend it to their following who they already have built relationships with, who they already built trust with, who they already have, this relationship going. So once they represent your product or affiliate themselves with you or your offer, then you are potentially gonna get a lot of those fans. So basically what you wanna do is find someone who's in your niche, who's in your genre of music, who has basically your followers. Approach them, come up to them, you're gonna introduce yourself to them, and you're gonna make yourself presentable in a way that you want to present your business, you want to present your offer.